Hi everybody, welcome to the January subscription box unboxing for Beyond the Pink Door. I am a So Inspired ambassador for Andrea at Beyond the Pink Door, and I'm really lucky that I am gifted this box, and I'm gifted it a little bit early, well, parts of it. So I'll be sharing you the contents of the box in two separate clips. So if you think, well, your hair looks different or your dress looks different, Alison, that's why. So I get the fabric early because I do a new format, well, new to me, where I do the unboxing still and pattern ideas, and then share the finished garment all in one video. And I know, thanks for the feedback, lots of you are really loving that format. So I have got the fabric, but I haven't got the rest of the box. But of course, after I've shown you the fabric, I will come in and show you what else is in the box. I know it's the first time I've done it this way around, so I'm not quite sure how it's going to work, but we'll see. So this is the package. So as you can see, it's a thicker, heavier one. So what do you think might be in there? Oh, it's a bit like Advent all over again, isn't it? You're probably like, no, we've loved Advent, but it's January. So beautifully wrapped. So I think it's beautiful. I can't remember. I think, let me get rid of the paper. I think that there are two colourways in it. So obviously, I think I might just done a little flash, but if you haven't got your box yet, please pause and come back, because I'm not just unboxing the fabric, I am showing you patterns and ideas and things. So it's the navy colourway that I've got. I don't know the actual name of it just yet, but if I do, I'll be able to add that in the screen. Because if you don't already know, for someone who, some people do choose their fabric in advance. I do. I choose the colourway. I've not seen the actual fabric, but I choose the colourway. And Andrea's looking to expand that a bit more to people who want to be able to do that. And obviously some people choose not to, and it's a total surprise. But rather than state the colours, there is a de-stash group that Andrea's started. So if somebody's got this colour but wants a different colourway, they can post in that group. But rather than say green, pink, purple, there always a name. So that beautiful fabric that I made last month was called Yuletide, and you know, one might be called Midnight something. So you don't know exactly what colour it is, so there's no spoilers for anybody that's in that group. Hope that makes sense. So anyway, I need to show you it. So there's kind of two things here. So it is a beautiful, and it feels beautiful, obviously not been washed yet, cotton jersey, which initially looks a little bit like snowflakes, but actually when you get up closer, they're these beautiful flowers, and you've got these lines running through. So let me open it up. So obviously I don't know yet what else is in the box, but let me just open this out and show you what we've got in here. So I think it's quite a bit of fabric, you know, in this. Let me just, I've got a little 1 meter measurement over here. So let me see what we've got. Oh, so I need to get my thinking cap on with ideas to share with you. And that also helps me with what I might make out of it, because there's 2 meters of it all together. And it is Danish design. Let me read the selvage. Avalana jersey by Stuff Fabrics. So it's a, you know, it's a good quality, don't you? All of Andrea's fabrics that she puts in the boxes are really, really good quality. But let me just see it. So it's got a really nice feel. Would be good for jumper dresses, because everybody's busy making those at the moment. Sweatshirts, really nice pajamas maybe. It's got a really soft feel on the back. It's a little bit like, feels a little bit brushed back. Absolutely lovely. I really love that. And that colourway, because blue is something I didn't used to wear, but I've worn it more often recently. Oh, let me know what you think. What would you make? Pop it in the description box. Obviously, whether you've got the box on or not, put down what you would make if you had 2 meters of cotton jersey landed on your doorstep. With what would you make? And I'm gonna pop it in the machine, get my thinking cap on, and have a think about what I want to make with it, and then I'll be back to share those ideas and that finished make with you. But in between, when I do get the box, I'll unbox that bit and I'll pop that in here first. Hi everybody, so you've seen the fabric but you haven't seen the rest of the box. So I don't have a box because mine obviously arrives in different stages. You'll have worked that out by now, but I'm going to show you what will be in the box with the fabric, and hopefully you'll have got all of yours now. That's exciting. So I got a purple package today. I've cut along the top but I haven't looked inside yet, I know. And I'm in the process of getting ready for Frocktails tonight, virtual Frocktails. So I'm a little bit excited and I've put some lippy on for you, but I'm not all make-upped up because I want to do that later. There's a strong possibility I might fit in a nan nap at some point in between. Do you need to know that? Probably not. Okay. Feels fabricy. Let's go. Oh, not what I was expecting. I know. Are you ready? Let me show you what was in there. Let me move back. It is a Beyond the Pink Door tote bag. I'm loving this. I'm thinking taking to the shows when I go fabric shopping. Might even go to the beach. How exciting is that? But there's something inside it, so let's have a look. And I'll do a little close-up when I've got this out. So it has got the Pink Door, look, let me move my handles, the Pink Door logo on. There you can see that, lovely. How lovely is that? Really nice quality as well. Let me move the plastic out of the way. Okay, so inside there we have got the postcard. There we go, which says, January, this is a time for beginning. For gentle starts, fresh intentions and making without pressure. I've seen that a lot this year, that making without pressure. That's definitely something I'm aspiring to do. So we've got one little package inside there with a little star sticker on. Now I know one of the things that'll be in there will be some thread. Obviously I've already made my garment, but my thread can go on my little thread stash just there. So let me take these out. So you've seen by now that I got the blue colourway. I can't remember what the other colourway is in the fabric, but I'll be able to scan the card and let you know. So I've got a navy blue Gutermann Maraflex thread. There we go, which is great because I've got black, but I've not got a dark blue. This is fab. What a great box, Andrea, because obviously we've got the cotton jersey, which is stuff, which is just fabulous quality, but not only have we got the correct thread, we've also now got some jersey needles. Now I tend to use super stretch. I don't actually have any jersey needles, so that's a good addition to my little stash. There we go, fabulous. They're all 80-12 needles, and then we've got, oh, you're going to think I'm just going, oh, I love these. And I especially love these when I'm on a flight and I want to get to sleep and I don't care if I look a bit weird. So this will be staying, I've got a holiday in May, this will be staying till then. And it's by Arthur Betsy, and it's a self-heating eye mask, intensive relaxation. It actually says eye mask, travel, relax, sleep. These are fabulous. I've not had this brand, but I've had a few different brands before. And once you open it, you have bits that you sort of put, I think, around your ears or around your head, I can't remember, your ears. And then you open it up, and once you open it, it activates the heat inside. So I can't open this because it'll activate that. But I absolutely love these. So what, yeah, and all about relaxing, rejuvenation, the box, perfect. What a lovely gift. Absolutely love that. So we've got obviously the fabric, we've got the, I won't show you, well I'll put my thumb on it. So we've got the ebook, that's what the QR code's for. So check that out, guys. I've written something that's in the ebook this month, so I can't wait to actually see that. I can't wait to see everybody's makes because it gives me inspiration and ideas. So if you're not checking out the ebook, you really need to. Tamlin and Andrea put a lot of time into it and they're really proud of it, and I'm proud to be part of the Sew Ambassador programme as well. So we've got needles, we've got thread, we've got an eye mask, and we've got a beautiful tote bag. What a great box. Hope you like yours. Now you're going to see what I've made, some ideas, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. So I'm back in my finished make. This is beautiful fabric. It's really nice quality, gorgeous to sew with. And as you can see by the pictures that I've put in of patterns that you could choose, and that's just like, you know, the tip of the iceberg in patterns. I knew that I wanted to go with a jersey jumper dress sort of vibe. I've got a couple of patterns in my stash, but I hadn't tried them. They're both Fibre Mood patterns, so I will pop those onto the screen now. I am really keen to try them, and I have got some fabric that I'm happy to make up in definitely one of them and see what the fit is. I can overlay the pieces of this one onto it, but I went with my absolute favourite jumper dress, which you might have heard me make before. It's the Peppermint Magazine jersey dress, and I did it without cuffs, without hemband, just with the neckband. Now I did get some navy blue rib that I bought to go with this from Andrea Beyond the Pink Door. However, I felt for my colouring that this royal blue sort of picked up the other shades of blue that are in the fabric itself and sort of just lifts it a little bit slightly, where the navy for my colouring would have just kind of brought it in a little bit. I think white or off-white or a pale blue would equally look lovely with this. Obviously there is another colourway as well, so I will pop some pictures in that I've taken. I think there might be a little video as well. I do extend it by about 10 inches. That makes it a sort of a mid-axis kind of length, and it's a raglan sleeve. Apologies if you watch me regularly, you'll know that I love this. Well, why am I apologising? I love it enough for it to be a repeat make. I absolutely adore it. It is great just to slip on with leggings or tights or bare legs and boots, whatever you want. Or you can shorten it. You can shorten it to like knee length if that's your preference, or you could shorten it to jumper length, and it's a free or pay what you can pattern. So I was going to make the Italia dupe Charlie. That was my first choice in this, which was why I got the navy rib. But I've made a couple of those recently and I really like them, but I just felt with this being 2.5 meters, I could get that out of 1.5 meters with rib, so I wanted to make full use of the fabric, so that's why I went for a sweater dress, and I'm really pleased that I did because I really absolutely love it. So hopefully you'll have seen those pictures. Let me know if you've got your box, what you're thinking about making, or if you haven't got the box, what would you have made with this fabric? And I'm going to grab a coffee and chill now, so I will catch up with you really soon, hopefully on Friday.